Hey my little friends, Fun Kids Collection is here with another video, and today we're gonna be playing with this Mickey Mouse Clubhouse cash register. Yoo-hoo! I'm so excited to play with it. Let's try the buttons. They make a beeping sound. And now it's time to take it out of the box and take a closer look at it. And here we have Mickey Mouse cash register out of the box and ready to play with it. This is battery operated right here. This set includes a green $1 bill, a yellow $5 bill, a blue $10 bill, and a red $20 bill. It also includes a 25-cent coin, which is also called a quarter. A 10-cent coin, this is called a dime. And a 5-cent coin, which is called a nickel. This set also includes this Mickey Charge credit card. This cash register has the numbers 1 through 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Also, right here, there is number 0. This green button right here is the on button, and the one right here, the red one, is off button. But unfortunately, the off button doesn't turn the cash register off because even though I press it off, the numbers still beeps. The yellow button right here, it's total, which opens the cash drawer. Let's store our cash bills and coins into this cash register. Here we have a cute little Mickey Mouse bar scanner and has a button on the back right here. But unfortunately, it doesn't make any sound effects. It could have been cool if this one would have made sound effects. Here we have a conveyor belt, but again, unfortunately, it doesn't work. It could have been nicer to have it moved around. It just has stickers. And now it's time to buy some toy surprises. I'm gonna buy one Disney Pixar car toy surprise and one NumNom. Let's get the scanner and see how much they cost. This NumNom cost $1.50. And the Disney Pixar car cost $1. The total of $2.50. I'm gonna use my Mickey's Charge credit card for that and pay $2.50. It's all paid. Now, let's open the toy surprises. First, let's open Disney Pixar car toy surprise. Car-shaped candy, eraser, and this is a sticker of Carla Veroso. NumNoms Series 2. Collector Guide. And a yellow blind bag. Oh, we have a cute little NumNoms. And let's see what's her name. Let's find her on the list. It's the BLT. Yeah, she definitely is a BLT. Here we have the lip gloss. It's a pink one. It smells so good. And now it's time to buy some more surprises because I love them. This time I'm gonna get a Disney Princess toy surprise, a Shopkins candy jar, and the squishy pops from My Little Pony. Let's get the scanner and scan them. The squishy pop cost $1. The Shopkin candy jar cost $2. And then the Disney Princess toy surprise cost $2 as well. Do you know how much that adds up to? It adds up to $5. I'm gonna use my $5 bill to pay that. Now let's open up these toy surprises. First, I'm gonna open the candy jar Shopkin surprise. Here we have a nice and blue candy jar. It's all sparkly. Two blind bags. And a collector guide. Let's open these blind bags. And here we have Flutter Cake. Oh, she's so cute. Let's open bag number 2. Oh, and here we have the candy apple. Super cute. Next, we're gonna open Disney Princess's Toy Surprise. Heart-shaped candy. Flyer. We have a sticker of Rapunzel. And here we've got a super cute keychain with a picture of Cinderella and Ariel on it. Oh, that's really is sweet and super cute. You can hang it on your keys or you can hang it on your backpack. Now I'm gonna open the Squishy Pops. We've got a blind bag right here. And here we have 2 wheels. I have no clue what this is. They look like wheels, but you can put it on your, oh, you can use it as a necklace. You can put a chain and you can hang it. Very nice. I'm getting so excited with toy surprises and I'm gonna go and buy one more round and then that's it. Alright, let's get one more round of toy surprises. This time I will get a Finding Dory Mashem surprise, Paw Patrol Mashem surprise, Little Pet Shop Fashems surprise super squishy, one Kinder Egg surprise from Angry Bird, and one Minnie Mouse Kinder surprise. Okay, let's scan these toy surprises. Minnie Mouse Kinder surprise, 150. Angry Bird Kinder surprise, 150. Little Pet Shop Fashion surprise, $2. Mashems from Paw Patrol, 250. And Finding Dory, 250. Do you know how much this adds up to? This adds up to $10. I will pay with my $10 Mickey Mouse bill. There you go. And now it's time to open the toy surprises. First, I'm gonna open the Angry Bird Kinder Surprise. Milk chocolate. Yummy, yummy. Flyer. And here we've got an Angry Bird with a trophy. Next, we're gonna open Minnie Mouse Kinder Surprise. Flyer, stickers. Here we have Minnie in her pink dress. Super cute Minnie Mouse. Next, let's open Finding Dory Mashem Surprise. Blue capsule. And we have Dory. Next, we'll open Little Pets Shop Fashion Surprise. We have a cute little squishy pet from the Little Pet Shop. And the last is Mashems from Paw Patrol. And we have Sky. Oh, she is adorable. On her hero outfit. Very squishy. And very cute. And this, our little friends, was everything we had prepared for you today. Thanks for watching our videos, and don't forget to subscribe on funkidscollection.com for more Mickey Mouse and Toy Surprises videos. See you next time. Until then, enjoy it.